It's that time again where we go grocery shopping and I share my grocery haul as a plant-based eater. So I'm going to be taking you to the fruit stall, and stick around till the end because I'm going to also be sharing with you the prices of the items in Jamaican dollars and USD. So come with me to the fruit stall. We're at the fruit stall. All right, so there is melon, sea moss, lemon, cherries, plantains, pear, aka avocado, corn, grapes, more cherries, coffee, June plum, lime, gooseberry, papaya, more lime, cantaloupe, and melon, tomatoes, peppers. So what's up? Jackfruit, mango, custard apples. Look at them. Ooh, sweet sop, grapefruit, ackee, and breadfruit. Apple and sugar cane. How much for the grape?
5,600.
So how much for a pound?
14.
14. And how much for a pound for the pineapple?
500.
500 a pound. All right. And the cherry?
2,000 for the cherry.
2,000. And three pear for 1,000. Yeah. And
250 for the lime.
250 for the lime. All right. Okay, so I'm back from grocery shopping. So let me show you what I got. 7 coconuts, $300 for each, so that's $2,100. So I got some pistachio and cashew, 4 pistachio, 2 cashew for 4,800 and something. I got this salad from Tehuti. It has sprouts, nut meat, cashew cheese, quinoa, and underneath it is cabbage nori seaweed, and this salad was for $1,700. And you got the price for these already. So 4 pounds of grape for 5,600, 3 avocados, pears for $1,000, 3 lime, 250, cherry, $2,000, and pineapple. Yeah, you got the price for that already. Of course, there are places and markets that you can get the items for less, but I choose to shop here because I like, one, the quality of the fruits, and also it's because it's close by me, so it's more convenient. But sometimes I do go to other markets, and I also go to Coronation Market where you can buy directly from farmers, so it's less expensive. If you're wondering, the fruit stall is in Barbican, and I also got the pistachio and the cashew from Lashushan Supermarket in Barbican. But yes, that was my grocery haul for today. Until my next grocery haul, blessed love.